You know how cars do that thing where the more you use them, the more they start to have problems? Isn't it interesting that manufacturer warranties seem to run out right around that time? Is it too much to ask for your car to just be covered forever? We don't think so, and that's why any qualifying vehicle you buy from us is protected with Warranty Forever at no cost to you. Yep, a real powertrain warranty for life. Unlimited time, unlimited miles. No cost, no deductibles. No hooks, no catches, and no gimmicks. Just a warranty. Forever. Here's how it works. You keep up on the recommended maintenance outlined by the manufacturer, and we'll fix the powertrain components on your new or pre-owned car. That includes your engine, transmission, and drive assembly. With Warranty Forever, you never have to worry about having to pay for repairs to the most expensive components of your vehicle, because you are covered forever. So now the question is, why would you buy a vehicle without a lifetime warranty? Pick up the phone, send us an email, or grab one of our friendly associates and find out more about Warranty Forever. True peace of mind forever.